Oh, hi guys, how are you? This is Prince from Prigma Investments. Hope I found you well today. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your website back to the reset to the default. Let's say you have installed your website or you're working on a site and then you decide that maybe you no longer need the site but you want to reset back to the original state or to the first stage where you can start working afresh. Because this is the right place. You have come to the right video or channel where I'll be going to be teaching you on that. So I'll walk you through the steps, guys, and then you'll be able to see how you can do that. But before we go, I'm going, guys, to be showing you to warn you before you use this plugin. This plugin is going to delete everything that is in your site to the reset default, like to nothing, like you are starting to work on the page again, like it's your first installation on the WordPress site. So before you use it, you need to be sure that either you back up your site or you are sure that you no longer need everything that you're going to be using on that. So I'll start here, guys, by showing you how you can do that. So we go to the dashboard here and then we go to plugins. This is how you install a plugin again. So those who do not know how to install a plugin, you go to this option plugins and then add new. And then if you click this option to add new, you come here on the search option and then you type your keyword. We need WP reset, so that's what you're going to be typing, WP reset, and then you see this will come out and then you install. After the installation, this one I've never used it, so I'm going to use this by Web Factory, and then you activate the plugin from this point. After the activation, you see there are so many ways which you can use to go to the settings and start using this plugin. This is the first option here. After the installation, it will take you to this option, like it's thanking you for installing, but there's an option here to go to the settings or to the tools option, or you go to the option, the tools option, tools. So let me dismiss this so that you'll be able to see that. So you go to tools, you go to tools. Why is it not showing? Maybe I just need to refresh the site here so that maybe to come out. Okay, sorry for that. Please just hold this a little while. As it resets, as it okay, all right. Okay, so here it is. So I say this is the first one, right? Or you come to tools and then you see there's an option here for WP reset here. Or you go to, you scroll down to the plugin here. You see at the plugin, right at the plugin, there's an option for reset tools. So we are just going to click this one and then you go to the option. So here we are, and then you see this is the option where you can reset your plugin. So it's now telling you guys or warning you that this plugin can do these. Okay, so I'll just read out the first option. All post pages, custom post types, comments, media entries, users, all default WP database tables, all custom database tables that have the same prefix WPG as default tables in the installation. Always create a snapshot or a full backup so you can restore it later. So if you're sure that you want to restore it later, you need to have a snapshot or a backup. And then here it's telling you that you can undo. No undo, guys. There's no an undo option. So there's another warning again, so you need to take care, take note of these warnings here, you see. And then here it's telling you that you can for you to be able to proceed, you need to give your consent that you really want to reset. So you are saying go on, I'm agreeing. So you type reset here. So it's written here, type in reset. So that's why I typed in reset there. And then you actually go to reset, press the button to reset, and then you take you to another option again where you need again to verify that you surely want to reset, and then you click the option to reset, and then you to go straight ahead and start resetting your site. So remember, this site is not going to come back again. So it's resetting, it's resetting. These are some that I was working for a client who is into news business. So here guys we are, here guys we are. So you can see, here we are, here we are. So you can see guys, it's more like it's a new installation, it's a new site altogether. So I'm just trying to do this so that you can see. So I'll go and then I'll do like this, the side, a beautiful side that you were seeing just previously. So now this is what it is. This is the new site. Wow, deleted. So and I now can start to install new things here guys. So this is it guys, nothing much that you need to know more from this is only what you can do, and you can start working again on your site on a fresh page, everything deleted, starting afresh. Cheers guys, it was nice talking to you. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please remember to subscribe and share, and so that and click the bell, click do not forget guys to click that bell there, so that you may be able to get a reminder every time that I drop a new video. You'll be able to know that there's a new video or a new teaching that I've dropped in for you. Cheers guys, this is your boy Prince from Prigma Investments. See you next time.